What's up, my fellow gamers? You're with my dad.
Hello.
And so here with a bunch of friends of mine.
There's Seizure Boy, and then there's the tall guy.
Donna, Mercy is ready.
Mom's here, Munchkin's here, even Ben is here.
Yes.
Hello.
These
Hello.
are my friends, also known as the Three Stooges.
The biggest stooge is right there.
No,
Maybe in this direction.
Do
but
you
that
want to
one-
have a morning glory? No? You want to shoot one off though? You don't? Alright, Devin, where are the morning glories?
Yes.
They're in the front.
Hello. What is there, a war out here or something?
There will be.
Pretty sure.
Holy shit. Listen to that fireworks standing right there.
He is armed with a bazooka.
That's not a bazooka. If anything, it's more of a flamethrower.
Yeah. It's Lindsay.
It's like a water gun.
I'll take those.
Donna, you see all this shit?
It's enough for everyone. One
Look
for
at all the
everyone.
fireworks. Yeah.
Devin.
Here, DJ. Come here, I got a lighter. Come here.
Grandma just said, I hope they better not hit me, and I just turned her. So we got these morning glories.
Setting them up now?
The size of my IQ.
You gotta come over here though.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Alexis does not have to.
There we go.
Ah, there's something. I almost had it, and then something appeared on my hand.
It's like a flare.
It's like it is.
Oh, tiki tiki.
Akalu.
Unga! Oh no. They're
Oh,
gonna kill
no.
each other.
Guy, you have your.
Okay. Oh, that's right, you took fencing.
He's like, I actually didn't know this.
I forgot he took fencing.
I didn't even
My
know.
elbow out.
I forgot he took fencing.
I finally did it.
Oh yeah, these things will sparkle.
Yeah, they do that. It's almost like it's a sparkler.
That was not planned. Are you okay, Devin?
Why did yours like stop working in the middle? Hey, stop trying to put mine out.
Oh, like these, Mama?
There we go.
They're called morning glories.
Which is why we're doing it in the evening.
What? Huh? Ooh, phosphorus.
Ooh, lead.
Dangerous chemicals like lead would be a lot worse.
Oh look, uranium.
I breathed in worse.
Probably.
A little bit.
It smells horrible.
Yes. Oh.
Taste.
Oh yeah, I should probably mention we do have a person trained in
Just gnawing on the
fire
end of the
stuff.
And pyrotechnics.
Pyrotechnics, firefighter. So yeah, we all good. Don't try this at home.
Don't try this at all.
Unless if it's outside. Unless if it's outside. Preferably do fireworks and stuff outside, not
Over your
inside.
head, and then you won't get the smoke.
You want to take the risk of losing your fingers? Go ahead.
Welcome to the Disney
Ow,
Channel.
speaking of, it's some ash just... Don't lift it above your head. You're gonna get some ash on you. Too late.
Oh yeah, strike me down, Zeus. You don't have the ball.
I saw it. It flew right at Ben.
Haha.
Trying to kill me?
Without even trying.
I'm not scared of you. Oh yeah, strike me down, Zeus. You don't have the ball.
Immediately
Can
happened.
we not? Because we already had a
Lightning storm yesterday. It's
Yes,
the reason why we're
this
doing
is
this
the 5th
today.
of July, actually.
See, it's all gone.
Luckily we saved it.
Yeah, this is the 5th of July, but this is supposed to be for the 4th of July.
Close enough.
But there was a thunderstorm yesterday, so we couldn't fully do it.
I just have a
Just like
fire now.
Nothing left.
Fire!
Fire! Well, except for around me, of course. They're going to stay around me.
There's nothing left on that.
No, you just toast the extra crunchy for me.
Hasty toasty.
it extra crispy.
Let's put them on the table for right now. Rub it in the mud first? Yeah.
Spurg it up
Rub
with
it in the
cigarette.
table first. Rub it in the table first.
Alright, which next? These?
Okay, DJ.
Yes.
What the hell are you doing?
There's more here.
Oh, there is not.
That's right. No, there isn't. It's already ended.
It's in
There's
there.
nothing left. So we're doing an intermission couple now.
Yeah, let's do some. Oh, where did they go? Did they come out here? They're on your car. It was going to be tie guy in hand. Well, why don't the three of you do it?
Yeah, why not?
Sure.
No reason why.
Yeah.
So who's doing it?
You want to do it too?
I don't know what we're doing.
Grab one each. Since there's four of you doing it.
All right.
Yeah, you can.
One corner there.
Right off these big mamas.
I was gonna do for the other stuff here on the
All
edges
right.
rather
One in the
than
middle.
the corners.
One in the middle. DJ, you're in the middle.
Ben, pop those in there.
Yeah.
We have a little intermission. I would not. I would keep that short tie guy because it won't always light on time.
Wait, we gotta wait for Ben to come back. Somebody straighten that one out. It's a little drunk.
It is Ben's.
Guys, I'm in the perfect position right now.
Okay, you guys ready to light your lighters?
Maybe not like that. Mine burns really quickly, so me and Ben should wait on ours. Why are you always struggling with these, DJ? Does it work?
There, light them. Back away.
Yeah, just stand there. That's good advice. No, it's not.
Hey guys, yours is just on fire, Tiger.
Yeah, then it had
Yours
Caesar.
is just on fire. Mine
didn't
just
even
decided to
do
kill
anything.
itself. Mine's depressed. Mine's really depressed.
Guys,
Just walked
Ben,
into a burning
no,
building.
Devin, Ben, DJ.
I'm
There are
blue.
your lighters.
Once you guys, me and Ben should wait on this. I think mine's dying. It's nervous. You got it. Can I see that one?
Do I need to grab the butane?
This one doesn't take butane. Oh, there we go. It just takes 5 years. Yeah, this one.
All you gotta do is just push this down.
Yeah, I know.
That's
right?
it.
Cover the fire.
Don't cover the grill.
Don't cover it, or else it won't light, and you'll burn your finger. This the grill? Yes.
Yes.
Just don't cover that.
Ready?
Actually, that works phenomenally.
Tie guys ready? Go.
It didn't work.
You just gonna die.
Go.
Ow. Finish it.
I didn't get to touch the gun.
Why is mine always the first one out?
Wasn't last time.
It was in the middle of the fire.
Come on.
Grab another one.
We're doing it. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, take this. Take it.
Intermission. Oops, sorry, okay?
Before we do the intermission, I'm gonna set the
Yep.
Oh,
tie. DJ. Stand on that side.
Looks like he's gotten a new nickname, Ty Guy. You're just Ty.
or big
Fighter.
T. Poker.
You're just Ty, fighter.
Okay, light yours up. Go ahead, guys. There you go. DJ.
I'm right here.
Let's keep doing
Mine is just on fire.
You're depressed.
Oh, thanks. I got a new lighter anyway.
Is that gonna work?
Man, yours just blew
Alright, good.
itself up.
If yours had gone to Taco Bell and sat down in front of it for 25 hours.
Yeah.
That one should work. I did it twice without an issue.
Ben,
I was
yours
trying to make
just
the flame
blew
bigger.
itself up. Dave gets this one.
Yep.
Yellow.
DJ, go over there to get information.
Whoa.
Don't shot at me!
I don't want to go in front of the camera. You can always go around. Yeah, but then there was like a bunch of fire. Yeah, there was a bunch of fire. Go around still.
Yeah.
But there's a bunch of fire.
I mean, like, go around.
Oh, like all the way around in the show. You could also go around, get
but
closer
there's
to the
fire over
dumpster.
there.
And no, there
You
wasn't.
guys
there.
can stop now. Everybody Ready, light, go.
No, Ben!
Uh-oh.
Bench fell over.
Yours! It's gonna go over again.
It flipped.
I just died. What happened to mine?
Mine bit me.
Mine bit me.
First time.
I'm fine.
Mine bit me.
Yeah, it lit and went straight into my
It
thumb.
goes in front. Then you go in.
One of them lit and went straight into my finger earlier. When I was using the one Dad was using. Or Bolden.
Ben, you're over here.
Anything I'm doing?
That's we're gonna light these off right now.
I wanted sauce.
Here's your we're not lighting those off just yet. We're doing these right now. Well, wait for Ben. Wait for Ben. All right, you got yours.
Actually, might be smart and you bring them over while
She don't want to be on camera. Ready? Light. Go. You good stuff.
Wow.
You picked it.
Sauce was a dud. Haha. No sauce.
Actually wasn't.
There was actually no sauce. You were not goaded
Why don't we
with
put
the
these more
swag.
towards the center so we can get
Yeah, dude. Yeah.
Put these towards the center.
Yes.
Devin, you're here.
Shot glasses, alright.
We should.
Shot roulette. Who's gonna.
This looks oddly
We should.
religious.
We should get like one more.
You made a cross out of
here.
Exactly.
We really have some players. Okay.
I,
Guys ready?
I alone can hit.
Light you two up.
I alone can hit all that because it's a solid flame.
Let them do it. Go.
Mine will go.
Mine keeps flipping over.
Yours just hates you.
It does. It didn't even go off.
Okay, dude.
Then things go off and flipped over.
Mine's a dead.
I got.
Ben, grab another one. No, I think that's. Nope, that's
Yeah,
a
it's
dud.
a dud.
Alright, Ben,
Damn.
shoot the next one. Ben's doing this from by himself.
Swear to God.
Flips over and dies again.
That got really bright for a
Yeah, that one really did get bright.
It's just on fire.
It was like.
Just me.
Just you. We should get our intermissions though.
Yeah, get your intermissions. Yeah. Intermissions. Sit, Mom. Sit. You good?
We weren't pointing fireworks at each other, no.
I passed fireball.
Yeah, well, we can't do it at night. I gotta go to bed. I got work at 4 in the morning.
We gotta kick some people out.
Can't blow up big ones till we get done through the little ones.
Yeah.
Okay.
Take a square.
Take a square.
DJ.
Square.
You guy there, that guy there.
Close enough. Mine just a little bit.
That guy, Devin, DJ needs to light up.
My bad.
I got yours, that guy.
Okay. Thank you, Devin.
Yep. Yeah, no, that was the last time. You'll get that one because you're doing the same close.
I'll switch the tag on.
Though it's not really, it doesn't really fit now.
Climactic. I missed
Devin, does this it's a bigger wire than those other ones.
I know you know how to do it. Oh, yes,
We should.
We should just light off one big one.
There's only 8 left.
Alright, bring them over.
We'll bring them in a circle around you.
We're not doing that here. We're not doing that yet.
This is
There's only so many left.
Yeah, but we still gotta do
Burn
the
the actual
second
box.
Alright, DJ, put yours down. That guy, put yours down.
So are we doing it?
No, we'll do it after.
What about the intermittent? What about the main shot?
Huh?
Main shot?
Isn't the intermittent now?
No.
Yes.
We just did.
That's right,
Yeah.
we did.
Oh, so do these. You can leave them.
No, what we could do is this and this.
I don't know if everybody's gonna have enough time to do it.
That's true.
So just leave yours
Especially
there.
DJ, because he has the actual.
Leave yours there. DJ, leave yours there. Do these.
Ready?
Set. DJ, light. Go.
I got my spear.
Put that back, Tyler. Hold it up. I'm just gonna hang it down.
Now for this intermission, do we just do the?
There's
Where'd
no
it go,
go, my
Devin?
lighter.
So how are we gonna do this?
We'll light these
I
off,
think-
let them go out, and then why don't we...
I can do mass light. Anyone with
Well, how many do we
torch
have
wants
left?
to
We
do
can divide
mass
it
light.
between all of us.
How many
many
are
do we have
left?
left?
8.
yeah.
Each one of you can do 2.
Yeah. We just get 2. We just go.
Can you do this intermission?
You can do it right now.
Wait, why don't you just combine the pieces together?
It takes too long.
We have 4 left, so why don't we do 3 then?
Yeah, you can do that. DJ, see what he did? I'll take care of it.
Thank
Make a trifecta.
you. I don't need to.
DJ does.
DJ does, yes. I might have, I might have done it all.
Okay. Are you lit? Yep, go.
Well, if that works.
Perfect work.
There you go.
No,
That just looks like an afterburn for a car.
You
The
would say that,
overflow
Devin.
burn.
It's not supposed to be. I mean, your car is speed.
Ready?
Dave, wait.
Dave. Dave.
Do this.
Dave.
Okay.
I have it on me.
Alright.
It's a nightmare. Yeah, it's just a button forward.
That thing is ineffective, honestly.
It's a novelty lighter, of course it's going to be ineffective. That's the first time I've done
I swear, one of the sparks landed where I just was standing.
That was a lot bigger than it's supposed to be.
It was.
Come here.
I just walked through it and I just turned my face the other direction.
I literally had to move back because of how close it was.
That was all. Good. Next!
No, there could be more gunpowder in it.
Yeah, that's what I'm wondering. If we light one up and there's going to be a dud one that we lit before, but it
Yeah, it
has
definitely
gone
will
fully through,
explode.
and then we get too close and
It will explode on you.
We have several. I have a bigger one in the house.
Figured.
I'll do one of that one. I'll do this one.
That guy here.
you get the light.
You get Jade, I'll be over here.
You get the butterfly.
Alright guys, light up. Go.
I'm going with you, Ben.
be. We're destroying the ozone layer.
Man, we got like 30 minutes. We gotta head out. 30, 40 minutes.
There's only 3 for this one, so who's sitting out?
Who wants to sit out? You'll sit out?
You'll sit out?
This thing's a pain.
What?
You want to sit out?
No,
Tag,
there's
I
three.
just volunteered.
Tiger's gonna sit up.
Alright, so.
Joe, can I tell?
Oh,
Alright. Kill Diablo.
DJ, light,
your cookies are done.
Oh, thank you.
ready, go.
Barely lasts longer than mine.
No.
The
There could
fact
be
that
more
it lit-
gunpowder in that.
It's the fact that I lit mine first, but it's still went last.
This one has their.
Okay.
Come on back, Tag Guy. Alright, DJ and Tie Guy light. Light. Go. Yes. Because we're doing it during the day.
Face or chest.
That was 4 of them.
What?
Ben,
We just had some big ones.
you get the dinosaur again. You get mini me. Even though you're not mini.
I run.
You get you.
Again?
Yes. DJ and Tyler, light. Go. It's going, it's going.
Mine's overthinking.
Nope. Nope, done.
What?
And that's how Devin lost his hand.
No, it is a done.
Can we take it off the table in case it does explode? We don't want to have our hands next to it.
I don't think we will.
I don't think so. I don't think it'll do anything.
And then it explodes.
Alright, these are me and DJ.
Are they big?
Mom.
Mom, are you big?
Are you big?
Well,
Yeah.
No, you ain't.
Get that.
Of course, these are both dinosaurs. Yeah. DJ gets the dinosaur. DJ, go. Good, you got it.
And they're both duds.
Mine was. Devin know that.
This is the most amount of duds we had in this in one of these shows.
to refill it. Other people. I don't know if that one takes.
No! I will catch your hair on fire.
Where did Ty guy go? Oh, never mind. It's gone.
This is fun.
I had to.
I know you did.
He was trying to light the dud and I jump scared him.
Oh yeah, he did. He jump scared him.
Doing more?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get shoes on.
Oh, come on. You're doing the exact same thing.
I know I would do
With
it.
a butter knife.
He'll spread you.
Pretty sure that's what he does.
Whoa! Where I draw the line. Doesn't matter the fact that you're going to stab him to death. It's, he's going to spread you to death. Oh, wait a minute now.
Whoa.
Not good.
You all right?
Huh?
You all right?
At least take me to dinner first.
What? What?
I thought we were on the same
You have
page.
to make dinner.
Fair, that would be him.
One of you
Hey,
light
this
one.
is the same.
Give us a
This is
second.
the same one as that one. I think.
One of you lighted switch that guy.
Yeah, it is.
Give him a second. He's a little lightheaded.
You want me to light this one for you?
Love.
Oh, well,
Oh yeah, she doesn't want to be on camera.
you want to wait?
Yeah.
All right, you can wait. I'm going to do this. Ready? Ready? 3, DJ, go.
You have to do your safety swing.
Well, I'm deaf in this ear anyway, so I
What?
turn like
You
this.
gotta, you gotta squint your eyes. Make sure you don't go blind.
Huh?
Stop sign? What stop sign? I'm just sitting for a few seconds.
We're about to do another one.
Okay.
Rose blossom.
This is Devin. This is Devin.
What, you want the rose blossom?
The big one.
You
Give
get
him
the
the
rose
rose
blossom.
blossom.
That's Devin.
This is Black Widow.
I'm actually very excited. I love those ones.
We're gonna make the.
You want lava dome?
Don't.
This is sunshine.
Hey, how you doing?
Oh, yeah, I think it was specific sides for a
Keep
reason.
in mind you have the camera rolling.
Guys, specific sides for a
Hi.
reason.
I'm just starting.
Flip back for you.
Huh?
Lava dome.
Oh yeah, that's got to go back.
There's a dog behind you guys.
So excited.
Okay, you ready?
Okay.
You two light.
You
Go.
know, came home with Christian family. I didn't find out that they were filming
Lava dome.
Lava dome.
Dogsdale Dimmadome.
Get out.
He lives here. He can't.
Do you think we should wreck
them?
fire?
Can you go?
We will at the end of the show.
No,
You have to go in the bigger ones.
but I haven't been around. I didn't.
Well done.
Which I got rained down.
You're getting rain dance.
AJ gets glittering.
I didn't think I had anything like
Okay, you two light.
I
Go.
had
No, wait,
pneumonia.
wait.
I'm fixing this. I'm fixing,
Yeah.
fixing.
Really, really
Fixing.
sick.
They got it lit.
I
Hurry up.
remember 3 days, really.
Tell me about it. Tell us
Yeah, I
about
know. That was sweet.
it.
More.
Go.
I didn't know Ron was in the weekend before.
I almost lost my phone.
I mean, he's a good kid, but he's not
all that
very
toxic fumes.
motivated.
I know, right?
Breathing them toxic
You
fumes.
know what, Jim?
Well, the carcinogens.
What are you
You
doing?
what?
I love
Oh,
codeine.
good.
It's dead. It explodes.
Yeah, I love that you're not fireworks. I've never had a dog
Is that another,
that
another
way.
dog?
You're getting a black
Where
widow.
every
All
dog
right.
she owns is a
Is that like a
firework.
lava dome?
I think
Pyro
Dory
fans
got
for
a
you.
big dog.
That's Pyro Dome.
Yeah.
Freedom
So
66.
she got a new dog. I want to call her and see how.
President.
Because I,
Razzle
you know,
dazzle
last
sounds like
year
one.
I took him out
I
when I
just
heard
this
him, and I just
lava
showed him
dome
the fireworks
to
and walked.
Okay, you too light?
My other dog, I used to bring him to the fireworks. He'd sit right there with me.
That one might need to go.
Yeah.
Oh, really? No, I thought it's my business, but I don't.
Lava dome's showing off a little bit.
Something that
And then explodes.
Kaboom.
lava dome.
Lava dome.
Me, DJ, and Devin. There's only three.
Oh, I didn't know, yeah.
Okay.
Well, you're- It's okay.
You all
I
be
still, my sister
Of course
takes
you
it
do.
today.
Game mode.
She lives in
Backside.
Southern Mass. I know, and it's like, Lori, that's a long drive. And she's like,
Should we kill this car?
she did, and, you know, I wouldn't let anybody come see me in the hospital. I even threw my son out. I didn't even realize it was 8 o'clock in the morning, and he brought me water. And I guess I threw him out, but I just wanted to sleep. Right?
What?
What?
What? What about stop sign?
Stop
What's up, man?
What orphanage?
Pedestrian?
No ramp.
What bus?
What pedestrian did I hit? What?
What
What
orphanage?
about my
Last
dog?
night I took a walk, I heard fireworks all over, and
What do you mean my cat got out?
I behind.
What do you mean dog has toes?
DJ, you get giant mystery geyser.
Right, and then there's light.
Fire
We're
dome.
going
You
back.
get anvil.
Yep.
Fire dome.
I know, because I was walking
You get
down
Trojan
after
Warrior.
the hospital, and I was waving,
get
but you didn't see
Silver
me, but then the
Spangler.
lightning came, it went in, I walked in front of
Lava
my
dome
feet, and it's like,
sequel.
Light, light, go.
Yeah.
Any more seeds today for Grandpa?
I gotta count them.
What?
I gotta count them.
Devin, your grandparents will understand.
It's his mom.
Lava dome.
It's we're dropping him off at his mom.
We have more. There's 6 left.
Here, which one's next?
I got it in my hand. Devin, put that in the back. Middle. Oh, you want it on look.
Yes,
That's
that is the
part
one
of
I'm
lava
really
dome,
excited to do.
Devin. Don't let the lava dome family
Okay,
down.
Dazzler.
Grab the dazzle, put it right in the middle. DJ. So I got you up there.
And this one?
Yep.
Hey, another one like lava dome.
You do like. Go. Wait.
Everybody wait.
Yeah, Devin.
Alright.
Go.
Lava dome.
That one really lit up the table.
Lava dome. Lava dome.
Just me.
Ultimate dome.
Just me.
I neck my dome.
Oh, Nick Mo, yes!
The ultimate dome.
The ultimate dome. This was called Enigma.
Laser dome.
That was the enigma.
It's quite an enigma if you ask me.
Quite an enigma.
The Enigma was rather Sigma.
Yeah, Miss Sigma.
Get out.
No.
Get in your car and never come back.
Try game in my God.
Right after me.
Hey, time for the big stuff.
I want the maximum because fire dome.
I want the Liberty one if it's there.
Oh, I want the fat man.
Fat
Oh,
cat.
that's fire.
I'm right
Eagle
here.
fountain.
I
Star
call it fat
source.
cat.
I called it.
That's cat. And that's first mate.
Oh, the fat cat. I know what you want.
You want the eagle fountain? He's fitting. That's your grandfather.
I got my line.
Ready? Go.
Huh? Go. Brody. Gotta do things. Oh, good boy. Okay.
missing some fireworks.
What do you mean?
There's supposed to be
That
two
is not
zombies,
good.
and I've only got one.
Yeah, I gotta go pee. I'll be right back.
Go ahead.
That is not good.
Hold on.
Just have missing explosives in there.
So I got zombies, Pistol Pete, little one right there, and Half Pint, which is also right.
I
pint.
have to get half point, half pint.
I'll do zombie.
You get little one.
I need half pint.
Yeah,
because I'm
that's
gonna
fitting.
do
I'll do zombies.
Oh yeah, you get Pistol. Now hold on, I'm almost.
Cowboys in the left shoe at the setting sun.
I think Nick when he was relighting, he might have been a dud.
Hey!
Enigma died.
Let's run now. Explode.
Love you, suck.
7. There we go.
Really high guy.
That wasn't me.
Why is everybody blaming Tie Guy? We're supposed to blame Devin.
I had fire.
That guy is Devin by
dog.
association.
That's true.
We have the same blood. That is
Same
true.
marinara.
You're
Same
saying I
marinara.
have the same blood. Somehow I have the same blood as him.
Yeah.
Same
It's just for luck
marinara.
of the
Come from the
cards.
same father.
Doesn't make any sense at all in my opinion.
Same marinara.
Huh?
Please don't hit my car.
Please don't kick the car.
Alright.
Fire
We have to leave in our 10
dog.
minutes to go by.
I know. I need Mom to get out of the bathroom.
5 years late.
I really
Explosive
We don't have many
want to
scenes left.
overdrive.
Should watch the
We
recording.
will.
Demon car.
We will.
I have to leave in 10 minutes though.
There's only 3 scenes left, guys.
We can get that in 3 minutes if John gets out. If we walk in like an hour later, she's like,
Huh?
Grand finale knows, right?
That's the yeah.
We have 3 minutes.
Alright, ready?
10,
Alright, light your
Light your lighters, you two.
light your lighter.
10. We
Go.
have to get there for 6:30.
You're good.
Yeah, Devin, grab your lightning. Eat your lightning.
Devin
Bazooka.
gets the lightning one.
Yes,
But I gotta figure out how we're gonna stand it up.
I have an idea. Why don't
We
we?
can use one of the boxes.
Yeah, I was thinking that we use one of the boxes. One of the boxes that are
Boxes
cold built,
inside.
and then we put the stick in the corner of it.
Or we can stick them inside the hole that are already burnt. Let's see.
Well, actually,
Those could probably fit.
this way. Just trying to figure out how to build the tower of the. Somebody hold this.
I think Devin's got the lightning rod one figured out.
pretty much. Ish, kinda, sorta.
Yeah, that's too
Get
top.
that cat. Perfect.
Hey, that works.
The light is on the bottom.
Do you
correct?
think it works? This one. Do this one. Huh?
This one fell out.
I just light the top of this then, and hopefully it hits it.
That's what happened to that one!
Is there anything? Yeah, there's inside. There's something. Okay.
Bruh.
I can just light this and throw it.
You must insert the tube and hook your rectum.
And now I can. Oh.
Um,
aggressively blast that one, Dave?
Oh, am I gonna do the one Devin has on? You got it.
Let me figure out one where this fit. Okay, look at that hole. Okay. Okay. Oh, that works. I see that one. Oh, yeah, I can grab that one. Yes.
Oh, I see that.
Yep.
Part of here.
Probably not wanting to stay.
That's supposed to kind of get. Okay, alright, the wind is way down. Yeah, the ladder will.
If you need to, grab Dazzle.
It's something in there like a, have you got a little, thingy?
Alright, Dave.
Firecracker you can stick in here?
Everyone ready?
I don't have firecrackers, Grandma.
I'm gonna light this one, and then I'm gonna torch that, and then light this.
I gotta do that.
This one?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm gonna torch.
Come over here and torch
I'm gonna
that.
torch that, and then I'll light that.
Alright, well, here, swap with me, you can do that. Okay, you guys light first, go.
You start that at the same time, Dave.
Alright.
Ow! I got.
Watch out. It's on the table.
Oh, that worked. Quickly. Damn it!
Because I pulled the weight out of it.
I see flying.
It's burning. Just pull it out and just let it there.
We burned the wick out.
It's still going.
I thought you guys had the wick out for that one.
I pulled the wick completely out.
Can't go.
I gotta set up for the next scene.
Like a marshmallow.
That one's still going.
No, it's just on fire. Yeah, it's just on fire. Is this the grand finale?
No.
Nope.
Nope. We got one more after this one.
Lava dome? Is that a lava dome? Lava dome.
Dogsdale Dim Dome.
Red Sparrow looks like lava dome.
Dogsdale Dim Dome.
Devin, sorry, but
Devin,
Red
you're on that
Sparrow-
side.
Dimsdale Dimmy Dome.
Tie guy. DJ.
Lava
get out of the
dome.
way. I need you two to start lighting.
It's starting to go on me. Hold on.
Skirt's gonna pull.
Which
All right,
one?
light. one that showed off.
That was good.
Now for the grand finale.
Yes. Now we gotta get going.
Yeah.
You have all your stuff?
I'll grab mine.
Inside.
Can you start packing it?
Yeah, once.
Already packed, or once this is off, you have to throw it in Benny's car. I want an overdrive.
What's left?
These two
I need
back.
to do a maximum.
I want to do the other.
Dev. Lava dome maximum.
Okay, Devin. Yours goes in that corner and in that corner.
What are the maximums? I was hoping to do one to lava dome.
You know, grand finale.
Alright. So someone...
Who
Put
likes
that one
what?
in the other corner. Further over. Nuts and stuff. There you go. Alright.
Alright, who's writing what?
Wait a second. Here.
There.
I'm gonna light this one and this one after you guys light those.
I can like this one and this one.
Alright, you're there, you'll do both.
What am I doing?
I'll do
I'm
maximum.
Tie guy, it actually might be better. Wait,
So
the torch people do the majority ones.
Yes. So you're doing one, you're doing two, you're doing one, you're doing one, and I'm doing one.
This
So
one.
we
Oh,
have
there's one right there.
Alright, perfect.
ready?
light, go.
Time for the grand finale.
Grand finale. Grand finale.
We're done yet.
Oh, we're not done yet. Those were a good call. Right there. They got a fucking win, I guarantee it. That's it. Everybody go home.
I'm on count.
Everyone out. DJ, end the video.
This is Independence Day, not like the birthday. I mean, I guess it is the birthday.
Move your stuff, throw it
It's
in
the
the backseat of
Independence Day,
Benny's car.
which is
Yeah, I know, but we couldn't do it.
DJ, end the video.
oh, right.
Me and Ben will be back.
No, I know.
Alright, so that's it for the fireworks show we have here for today. This is for the 4th of July.
Even though it's the 5th, but that's okay.
Yes, it is the 5th, and this is probably going to be releasing on the 6th.
Mom's birthday.
Oh, yeah. So maybe the 7th, depending on how busy I am. But, yeah, hope you all enjoy the fireworks show. I gotta wait for Dad to get back so I can actually end the recording.
Dave, go back.
So, yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely subscribe to constant miss my videos. Comment your opinion on with your friends. Watch my other stuff I do, should be linked in the description. And I'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye.
See you, gamers.